Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn reverse psychology. This fascinating technique involves subtly guiding someone towards a desired outcome by suggesting the opposite. It's not about manipulation, but rather understanding human nature and our inherent desire for autonomy. We'll explore how to identify situations where it might be effective and the core principles behind its success. Get ready to discover a new way of thinking about influence and communication. The core of reverse psychology lies in understanding a person's natural inclination to assert their independence. Instead of directly asking for something, you present the opposite as a less appealing or even forbidden choice. This often triggers a desire to do what was initially discouraged. For example, telling a child they can't have a cookie might make them want it more. It's about creating a sense of agency for the other person. When applying this technique, your tone and delivery are crucial. A calm, almost indifferent approach works best, avoiding any hint of manipulation. It's important to ensure that the outcome you're subtly guiding towards is ultimately positive and ethical. Start by practicing in low-stakes scenarios, like getting a friend to choose a restaurant by suggesting one you don't want to go to. Observe their reactions and adjust your strategy for future interactions. While reverse psychology can be a powerful tool, it's vital to use it responsibly and ethically. Never employ it to manipulate or harm others, or for purely selfish gain. Its effectiveness comes from understanding human behavior, not exploiting it. Remember, genuine communication and respect are always paramount. For those interested in personal growth beyond psychology, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.